Designs by Clementine, where recycled materials and conventional materials are turned into high-end, unique, beautiful home decor. Thanks for tuning in. So guys, welcome again to my channel, Creative Designs by Clementine. And this is an antique project I'm working on, and I'm going to turn this bowl into concrete bowl. But first I need to put a hole in there, and this is concrete base that I did this a long time ago, and I just have them, and then when I need them I just go in there and get the ones that I need to work with. But I did that a long time ago. Okay guys, that's the bowl I'm working on, another cement project, and it's going with another dye painting that I did. This one is more like antique, and I have my cement mix. I'm gonna do the inner part first, and once this part dry I'll do the outer part, but I'm gonna do this part first And then I will do another layer again of the final texture, and yeah, the final texture or the final base color that I want before I give the final color. But I'm going to do another layer, but this is just the second layer. Actually, this was just like a base, like a grip to do the first layer. So I would say this is like the first layer of concrete I'm doing. I'm going to do 2 other layers before and guys, that's a special way I mix my concrete. That's why you see it's so creamy and like it's like clay, but this is concrete. First I'm going to lay this in. So guys, there you can see a little bit of the natural stone color popping out, and you can see the little sheen of this champagne gold. So guys, I made this garland, and so I'm gonna pin them. So guys, you can see that it's beautiful, gorgeous.